when you got the packyouts, you know what I mean? You go on vacation, you know what I mean? You don't need no luggage, huh? I might say do these, you know what I mean? You got the big totem, you know what I'm saying? Big totem on it, you know what I mean? Boom. Shout out to Milwaukee brand, you know what I'm saying? The big brand. Yeah. You see it right there. Small man, you know what I mean? You move it all around with this thing, with the big totem, what I call it, you know what I mean? Now, pop it open. You don't need no luggage, man. You know what I'm saying? On vacation, boom. That's packed out, you know what I'm saying? Packed out to the core. You know what I'm saying? We got the, you already know, essentials. You know what I mean? Gotta give me some toothbrush and stuff like that. Toys, they get toys, boy. Toys, boy. You know what I'm saying? Small things in there, but you know, you got enough to, you know what I mean? Make it work. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is, man. Milwaukee pack.